So welcome. First thing you do is after downloading, you sign up using any of the options you have on your screen. You could use your number, your Facebook, your Google, or your Twitter handle. I am deciding to go with my Google. That way I won't need to input so much details. So when I click on that, it take a while to load. After loading, it will ask you which of your Google addresses you want to use. I have several, so I'll just choose one of them. Then it asks you to input your birth date. You do all of that. Then here it continues to sign you in. Then input your username. I am using my own name, Hajra Uthman. But if it doesn't accept it, because I'm pretty sure there are a lot of Hajra Uthmans, I'll just tweak it and make it Hajra to Uthman. In your own case, if it's going to be your business name, right? That's for if your account is for your business, I would advise you use the same name you're using for your Instagram for this. So after this, you just click on next and then it logs you into your account. So here, this is my new profile and this is the end. We're going to be going into the next one on how to set up your profile. So this is just for creating your account. Next will be to set up your profile. Thank you.